I want to dive into the fascinating world of continuous tenses and how they work with the verb be. This is all about expressing actions that are ongoing, and it's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Let's start with the present continuous. When I say, I am reading a book, it's not just a statement, it's a snapshot of what I'm doing right now. The action of reading is happening at this very moment. If I switch it up and say, she is cooking dinner, it paints a picture of her in the kitchen, actively engaged in that task. The am and is are forms of be that help us convey this immediacy. Now, let's travel back in time to the past continuous. Picture this. They were watching a movie last night. This tells us that the action of watching was in progress at a specific time in the past. It's like capturing a moment on film. If I say, I was jogging in the park, it means that at some point yesterday, I was out there, moving and enjoying the fresh air. The where and was here are crucial because they anchor the action in the past. Now, let's look ahead to the future continuous. When I say, we will be having a picnic this weekend, it suggests that the picnic is not just a plan, it's something that will be happening at that time. It's a promise of an action in progress. If I say he will be studying for his exams, it implies that during that time, he'll be deep in his books, preparing for what's to come. The phrase will be gives us that forward looking perspective. It's interesting to note how the form of be changes with the tense. In the present, we use am, is, or are. In the past, it's was or were. And for the future, we use will be. Each form sets the stage for when the action is taking place, and when combined with the ing form of the main verb, it creates a vivid picture of ongoing activity. Let's throw in a few more examples for clarity. I am learning to play the guitar shows my current journey into music. They were discussing the project when I arrived, captures a moment of collaboration that was happening before I got there, and we will be exploring new cities during our vacation, hints at the adventures that await us. These continuous tenses are not just grammatical structures, they're tools that allow us to express ourselves more dynamically. They help us convey not just what we do, but when we do it and how it unfolds over time. So, the next time you want to describe an ongoing action, remember the power of combining with be. It's all about making your communication clear and engaging.